You're out in a mall or at a family gathering, and suddenly your baby starts crying uncontrollably. The lights are bright, the sounds are loud, strangers are everywhere, and it feels like nothing you do can calm them down. Relatable, right? Make sure to like this video and subscribe, because in just 30 seconds, I'm going to show you a method most parents have never heard of that can stop a meltdown in its tracks. And it works even in the middle of chaos. The mistake most parents make when panic starts. When panic starts in a baby, something else usually starts at the same time inside the parent. A surge of urgency, a tightness in the chest, a fear that this moment needs to be fixed immediately. Not just for the baby, but for everyone watching. That internal pressure is the real trigger that changes how parents respond. They do not consciously choose it. It happens automatically. The body goes into problem-solving mode. Stop the crying. Make it end. Make it quiet. Make it look like everything is under control. So parents speed up. They start talking more. They offer solutions faster. They bounce the baby harder. They reach for toys, snacks, phones, anything that has worked before. They explain, "It is okay. Look at this. We are fine. Shh, shh, shh." But to a baby's nervous system, this does not feel like comfort. It feels like alarm. Because urgency always signals that something is wrong. What most parents do not realize is that babies do not calm from words. They calm from bodies, from breath, rhythm, tone, stillness, and pressure. When a parent's body is tense and fast, the baby's brain reads that as danger, even if the words are soothing. The baby does not understand the meaning of calm down. They feel the energy behind it. And when that energy is rushed, the nervous system escalates. Another common mistake is trying to distract too early. Distraction only works once the nervous system is already calm. When a baby is in panic, their brain cannot take in new information. Offering toys, songs, or food in that moment overwhelms them further. It adds more stimulation to an already overloaded system. The baby may scream louder, push things away, or arch their body. This is not rejection. It is overload. There is also the instinct to explain or correct. Parents say things like, "You are okay, nothing is wrong, stop crying." But when a baby is overwhelmed, their brain cannot process logic. Explanations bounce off. Correction feels like misunderstanding. The baby hears, "I am upset," and no one gets it. So they escalate to be heard. One of the biggest mistakes happens silently. Parents feel embarrassed. They feel watched. They feel judged. And that social pressure leaks into their body language. They become tighter, shorter, quicker. They try to fix the moment for the crowd instead of for the baby. Babies are incredibly sensitive to this shift. They feel when their parent is no longer fully with them. That perceived emotional distance increases panic. This is why walking away often makes things worse. When a baby is dysregulated, separation does not teach calm. It teaches abandonment. The baby is not trying to manipulate. They are trying to reconnect. Removing presence in that moment intensifies fear. Before we move any further, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because in the next few moments, I'm about to show you a simple 30-second trick that most parents have never heard of, and it literally stops a public meltdown before it even starts. You're going to want to see this all the way through. What Korean parents do differently in public. When a baby starts to panic in public, many Korean parents do not rush to stop the crying. They do not look panicked themselves, and they do not focus on how the moment appears to others. Their attention goes inward first, to their own body, to their own breath, to their own presence. Because they understand something important. A calm child starts with a calm adult. Instead of reacting outwardly, they regulate inwardly. Movements slow, shoulders soften, the body lowers. The energy shifts from urgency to steadiness. This change happens before any words are spoken. In fact, words are often minimal or absent. Korean caregivers rely more on presence than explanation. They know that babies do not calm through logic. They calm through felt safety. There is also far less embarrassment driving the response. In many Korean families, a crying child is not seen as a parenting failure. It is seen as a child having a moment. That cultural understanding removes pressure. And when pressure is removed, calm becomes possible. The parent does not feel the need to perform for the crowd. Their focus stays on the child. Another difference is the respect for emotional timing. Korean parents do not rush emotional resolution. They allow the emotion to rise and fall naturally, while staying present. This teaches the child that emotions move through the body safely. They do not need to be cut off or suppressed. Touch plays an important role as well. Gentle, steady physical contact is often used instead of verbal correction. A hand on the back, a calm hold. Physical closeness communicates safety faster than words ever could. This is not about restraint. It is about grounding. Underlying all of this is an unspoken understanding of co-regulation. The idea that a child's nervous system syncs with the adult closest to them. When the adult stays calm, the child borrows that calm. When the adult panics, the child panics harder. Korean parenting leans heavily into this principle, even if it is not labeled as such. What looks like passivity from the outside is actually emotional leadership. The caregiver is leading the nervous system of the child through the storm, instead of trying to stop the storm. They are saying without words, "I am here, I can handle this, and you are safe." Over time, this approach builds deep trust. Children learn that big feelings do not scare their parents, that they will not be rushed, silenced, or pushed away when they are overwhelmed. And that trust becomes internal regulation as the child grows. In public, this difference is powerful. The child may still cry, but the panic does not spiral. The episode passes faster because the nervous system is met with calm instead of control. And the child learns something lasting. I am allowed to feel, and I am not alone. That is what Korean parents do differently. They do not try to end the emotion. They stay with it until it ends on its own. The 30-second method explained step by step. Step 1. Slow down and breathe. The moment you notice your baby starting to panic, stop everything. Don't rush. Don't talk faster. Just pause. Take a deep breath yourself. Drop your shoulders, relax your jaw, and soften your face. Your energy communicates more than words ever can. So slowing down immediately sends a signal that things are safe. This is counterintuitive because your instinct may be to fix it fast. But your calm sets the stage for your baby's brain to settle. Step 2. lower your body. Next, physically bring yourself down to your child's level. Kneel or crouch, or bring your baby close to your chest. Don't tower over them. Don't hover. Meeting them at eye level shows presence and reduces the sense of threat. Your body communicates, "I am here with you. You are not alone." The baby begins to read your body instead of reacting purely to the chaos around them. Step 3. Reduce noise and visual stimulation. Now, quiet your voice and reduce extra movement. Sometimes just being silent while staying fully present is more effective than talking or trying to distract. If you do speak, keep it minimal, soft, and slow. Avoid correcting, explaining, or reasoning in this moment. Too much input can overwhelm an already stressed brain. Let silence and stillness work for you. Step 4. Gentle, steady touch. Place a hand lightly on your child's back, shoulder, or hold their hand. This is not restraint, it's a steadying presence. Some children immediately lean into it. Others may need a moment before accepting touch. That's okay. The touch signals to their nervous system that they are safe and supported. It communicates, "I am here. This is survivable. You are not alone." Often, this simple contact begins to release tension in their body before the crying even stops. Step 5. Acknowledge their feeling. Once you have established calm presence, you can now name what they are feeling. Keep it simple and non-judgmental. Something like, "I see you're frustrated," or "That is really upsetting." Do not explain, lecture, or try to solve the problem yet. Naming the feeling shows the child they are seen and understood. Feeling understood reduces panic faster than reasoning ever will. Step 6. Breathe together. Finally, invite them to breathe with you. This is an invitation, not a command. Let's take a deep breath together. Model calm. Stay present and connected. The child's nervous system begins to sync with yours. They feel supported instead of abandoned. The meltdown begins to soften as their brain registers safety. And within 30 seconds, you often see the first real signs of calm. Step 7. Repeat and observe. Some children may need a few cycles of this, especially if panic is high. That's normal. Each repetition reinforces the learning in their nervous system. They begin to understand that big feelings can be survived, that you are safe, and that they don't have to escalate to be heard. Why this calms the baby's nervous system fast. Babies regulate through connection. Their nervous system mirrors the adult closest to them. This is called co-regulation. When your breathing slows, their breathing follows. When your body is still, their body begins to release tension. Gentle pressure activates calming sensory pathways in the brain. Quiet lowers the threat response. Your calm teaches their brain that panic does not mean danger. It means support is coming. Control escalates fear. Calm presence resolves it. This is why stillness works faster than distraction or correction. What changes after you use this consistently? The first few times you try this, your baby may cry louder or longer. This does not mean it is failing. It means the pattern is new. Within a few days, the crying sounds different, less frantic, more emotional release. Recovery becomes faster. Your baby begins to trust the response. Over time, public spaces feel less threatening because safety feels familiar. Your baby learns that big feelings do not push you away, that calm always follows distress. This reduces panic before it even starts. Not because your baby is suppressing emotion, but because their nervous system is learning regulation. How to use this in public gatherings. Public settings add pressure, but the method stays the same. Ignore the stares. Step aside if needed, but do not rush. Do not apologize for calming your child. Stillness is not weakness, it is leadership. Your baby does not need the environment to be quiet. They need you to be steady. When you stay calm in the middle of noise, crowds, and chaos, your baby learns something powerful. I am safe anywhere because my parent stays with me. That lesson lasts far longer than the moment.